Well, it's March 27th, correct? Or is it the 28th? I think it's the 27th of March 2014. And this is just crazy snow. If you look at the snow, it's massive. These snowflakes are not natural. They're like massive globs of snow held together by duct tape and chemical twine. Never seen anything like it in my life. You can see it from a mile away. Remarkable. Indeed, remarkable. Look at this man. He is stranded in a blizzard-like downpour of radioactive snowflakes. Look as it lands in the hair of this man. He can hardly stand the weight of the snow. They grow weaker and weaker with each snowflake until they collapse under the weight of the great snow. So that's the report from the 54001. It's snowing again, but it'll melt and we'll survive. I hope. Should be above freezing right now. I don't know why it's not. What's the temperature out there? Can we read this? 3:15, 32 degrees. Squeak, 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 squeak. Goodbye, winter. Goodbye.